What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, people may underestimate the value of CRO, may underestimate the movement, the potential, the growth for CRO, for Crypto.com, for the Kronos chain. And I honestly think that when people say that it's only getting to $1, it's kind of shortchanging a lot of people. It's selling yourself and everybody else short um, when you know that this is going to be worth a lot. If you truly believe in Kronos, in crypto.com, in everything that Kronos is really implemented in, then it doesn't make sense to set it at a short level of $1 when it has almost reached that level before. If it's almost reached that level before, you understand that the highest point for this would be at least a 2x over it. So why are we focused on that? We should be focused on the 2x or 3x or maybe even 5x over where we were at a high. So let's talk about CRO. Let's talk about its potential. Let's look at how it has been moving. And then we'll also give you my opinion on why I believe that this should be worth so much more than a level of $1. And we shouldn't even be focusing on $1. $1 is kind of expected, um, is kind of a guarantee, some in my opinion. And then when we look at other levels like $2 or $3 or maybe like I said $5, that's where we start to question like what's going to get us there, right? So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to start trading with margin. You cannot trade CRO over there, but you can trade Bitcoin and BNB and ETH and I was gonna say Jasmine, but you can't trade Jasmine. Caspa, XRP, Solana, AVAX, just a lot of different things that are over there. A ton of cryptocurrencies that you can trade up to 100x leverage as well. So if you're interested in leverage trading, definitely check that out. But if we look at CRO and where it stands, it's currently at about that 10-cent mark. It's at 9.8 cents or almost 9.9 cents. We did see this at a level of 10 cents. If we look at the last 24 hours, it's down 2.19%. The market cap is at a $2.4 billion market cap, $2.5 billion market cap. We're seeing the volume down 15%, only at 10.5 million. If we look at the last 7 days, it's down 1.7%, so a little bit more flat in the last 7 days. The last month, it's actually up 8.8%, and the last year it's up 72%. So it has risen quite a bit from this low level of $5. It did push up to $6, then all the way back down to about $5, or sorry, not $5, 5 cents, to a little bit less than that level of 5 cents. 4.9 cents, but then increased here up to a level of, I believe it hit 12 cents and then did decrease down to 8 cents or so, and then increase back up to 11 cents, and then decrease down a little bit. And now you're seeing more consolidation. So it looks more like a bull flag scenario if we are looking at it big picture, 10,000 foot view. That's kind of what it looks like there. If we look at the circulating supply, we see 25.2 billion, and the total supply is around 30.2 billion. So we have a lot of room for growth in where we are. I believe it can definitely hit 25 billion, if not further than that. So $1 is not a question for me whether it will hit $1 or whether it will hit a $25 billion market cap. I truly believe that it will. Now, typically within a let's say a bull market, a new bull market, you look at the previous numbers that it was at. As long as the supply is reasonably where it was, then, and you see the popularity where it was as well, then you know that this is going to get to a way higher level, right? From where it is in a bear market, if you see more holders, if you see more attention or the same attention, you're going to see this at the level that it was, if not further. Now, typically, when you look at a bull market compared to the previous bull market, a lot of times you're going to say it's going to hit a 2x or 3x over that. In any scenario, it will be a 2x or 3x over what the previous high was. So the previous high that we saw this at, if we go down here and look at the actual high number, previous high was 96, almost 97 cents, 3 cents away from 1 penny. If we get back to a level of 97 cents or a dollar, well, when we do, and if we only get back to that point, that would mean that we don't 1x over it. We had the same level of growth, and that's exactly where we're going to hit. Now, will it retrace from there? Probably. Will you be able to maybe profit off of that retracement? Probably. And I'm saying probably because we don't know how strong the bull market will be. Because if the bull market is strong enough to push it through previous levels of resistance in a bull market, then you might not see that pullback, and you again might sell yourself short by seeing that pullback there. Now, will I take profit at certain levels? I do have plans to take profit at certain levels, but my plan is not to take profit at a level of a dollar. My plan is to restructure my Jade Green card to be the Icy White card when it hits a level of a dollar. But I'm not selling anything until it gets to maybe a level of $1.50 or even $2, right? That's where I will have like my first selling points, which will get me over the $100,000 mark of what I'm holding as well as what I'm staking. And we will see how things go from there. And that's where I'll sell maybe like 10,000 or 20,000 and just capture my initial investment that I put into it. So if we look at Chronos overall, and we look at all history, we can see that this has hit that level of 90 cents, 97 cents or so, and the market cap was sitting at about a $22 billion market cap. We can definitely see this over this level. A 2x over the highest point that it's been to would be a $44 billion market cap, which honestly would be closer to $2 worth of a price point. So for people that are saying that this is only going to get to a level of a dollar and that CRO to a dollar is the end goal, like, do you really understand what CRO will be? And do you really understand the level of investing and exactly where things will go with something that has so much support and so much use? Right now, CRO is implemented everywhere on crypto.com, especially with the CRO rebates, with the amount that you're getting back with the cards and the new fresh updates with the cards. You talk about implementing it within NFTs. You talk about implementing it within the Chronos chain and the DeFi wallet, staking. It has major purposes to holding CRO. And CRO will, like, you're able to do so much with it and need to, if you are a fan of, say, crypto.com and you use crypto.com, a lot of things within it, you need CRO. So honestly, it's something that has opened my eyes in the past. Once I saw the level of use and the level of use that it will have, I think that even without that use, I honestly see CRO above this point, but it already has it, right? It has that use. People are transacting, and you see the rebates that are going to people's wallets, that are going to people's, exchange accounts, and the DeFi wallets where they're gathering more and they're moving it over there, and the different transactions that they're doing and they're holding, right? The incentive on holding with the Rewards Plus program. It's just so much that tells you we should hold CRO. We should use CRO. And I think it's going to be massive. But is it going to be like bigger than like an XRP or a Bitcoin or Ethereum? Probably not. But the point is that as an investor, you got to understand where things are going to go. And 2x to 3x over this point is kind of what I'm seeing. And if we can see a little bit more popularity within that, then maybe we could see a little bit further and see, a $100 billion market cap and get to a level of $4 or so. But $1 is it will easily pass $1. I 100% believe that. The goal for me is a level of $3, and I want to see what happens from there, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my Margex link, I do have that link in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.